Hello everyone. So I'll be showing you how you can actually do your custom IP address to the new area code that BookingKoala just updates you guys about. So now we are going to be getting started with the whole stuff. So and I'll be guiding you through on how you can actually do the custom IP address to the new area code that the BookingKoala just bring out for you guys. So now kindly follow me throughout. I'll be guiding you. So now, if you're using any provider, domain provider, either GoDaddy, Hostingel, Namecheap, SiteGround, or any one that you're using. So one thing to understand is that there's what we call domain DNS, where it contains all the record of your domain from e-record, CNAME, text, and whatever. So now, but right now we are actually dealing with a record. So now, no matter the domain provider that you're using, either GoDaddy, Hostingel, HostGator, SiteGround, or whatever the case. So first thing that you need to locate is the DNS. So now I will actually be using GoDaddy right now, and then I'll be showing you what I mean by that. So now, if you are using GoDaddy, so first thing you need to understand is that you have to locate your domain. Once you locate the domain, then you are going to find the DNS. You know, this like this, for example, this is a domain platform. So now, once you locate your domain, then you're going to locate the DNS right here. So once you locate that, then you're going to see DNS record. So now, first thing is that you need to first of all remove the existing A record of Booking Koala that you have on it before you can actually add a new one. So which means that we have to locate the A record of Booking Koala that we added before me earlier. That when we're still in the normal one. So, and this is it at the top of the A, because if you check the mail that was sent to you by the Booking Koala, you will see that the former A record that was used was this. Still, you will need to, remove it. And so you're going to come here and then delete it. So once you delete it, then you can now add the new one that Booking Koala asks us to add to it. And how do we do that? You click on add the new record, you will click on this and then you're going to choose the option. Right now we are actually using a record, right? So we have to pick a record. So this is A. Once you pick that, now regarding this name, you can put anything there, but I always advise to always put this at. So once you do that, then we are going to add the new A record that Booking Koala asks us to add. To use, which is this. Now we are going to be creating a record for these two, right? So now we are going to copy this first one. Once you copy it this way, we are going to copy it now. So we are going to paste it in this value. So now we click on this, and once we did that, we are just going to save it. This is save at the bottom. Save it. So once you do that as well, you're going to add the second one, which means that we're going to add another new record to it. And now we're waiting for it to save so that we can be able to, go on to the next one. Now we have been able to add this one now. So we are going to add the second one, which is we are going to click on add the new record. Choose now we are using a recorder, so don't forget that. And don't forget everything just use art. And once you do that, you go onto the and then copy this, and then you're going to paste it here. And then once you do that, you are going to click on save. So now let it save. So we're waiting for it to save. So once that is done, then you are done. So once you do this, you just go back to your Booking Koala and then you're going to click on this verify. Normally, I always advise that you wait for a few minutes, depending on the domain provider that you're using for your domain. For example, if you're using Namecheap, you have to wait for about 30 minutes. If you're using hosting is actually fast. So once you have done that, just click on verify. It's going to verify immediately. SiteGround is going to verify immediately. But if you're using all these all these not popular domain provider, you may have to wait for about 30 minutes before you can actually verify. But we are using GoDaddy, so it actually be fast. So we just click on now. You can see that it immediately what verify, and then we are done with that. So now I believe we get this right. So if you have any question for me, or probably you want me to help you out on it, kindly reach out to me through the link below the video description below, and I'll be expecting you. You can also contact me on Fiverr as well at BookingKoala. I will also put the link as well so that you can